Global CNC Automation, where intelligence, technology, and excellence goes all along. Global CNC Automation, a widespread for excellence and committed name in the field of CNC automation industry. We are the preferred CNC automation supplier in the Indian industries. We cherish our domination over top spot of the industries. Founded in the year 2007 with the implementation of high-tech and latest technology, we launched our prime first global hydraulic special purpose machine, SPM, in the year 2007. Accomplishing and customizing the frequent of clients with precision. Zeal to produce flawless and best machines has motivated us to surpass our own standards and targets, which are challenged for not only us, but has always been an aim to target for our competitor ventures to reach somewhere around. Every order is a drive to us to produce the best, and our customers' trust is nurtured with exemplary quality machines and after-sales services as we value their anticipation. We dedicate our achievements of skyscraping turnover every year, which has always been beyond our targets, to our hardcore professional team. Our unit confirms finest and unblemished long functional life, optimum performance, less power consumption, minimum maintenance, and smooth operations of our each and every produce. Our intellectual as well as workforce confirms products in compliance with the quality standards using high-quality approved components and contemporary technology under the proper guidance of our professional team. The machines manufactured by us are examined properly under various quality parameters to trade and supply a flawless product to our client. Leading features of our product are software configuration as per Indian and international market prerequisite, user-friendly techniques, low and easy maintenance, towering efficiency. Our purpose is to enhance productivity and profitability of industrial organization with advanced technological solution. With a mission to spread our wings across international territories, our machines are made and with compliances to international standards, and we, with esteemed pride after conquering Indian CNC marker, have succeeded in leaving our mark over international client. Global CNC supports digitalization and extends its sphere of trade via online services.
Choose, select, and finally click your machine posted on your gadget. Browse and shop with ease and comfort.